Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn a normal photo into a retro anime style using ChatGPT. First, just open ChatGPT and then just go to menu and then go to images like this. And then on the style sections, just choose retro anime. This one, just tap on it. And then next, just choose your photo that you want to turn from your gallery, or you can also take a new selfie or a new photo directly by your camera, your phone camera. And in here I will just choose a photo from my gallery, and then next just upload the photo that you want, and then just tap on done and wait for the process. And then in here just answer the ChatGPT questions for the better results. In here ChatGPT asks you to choose one styles that you want, like generic 18 cyberpunk anime girl, but not the same face, it or you can also choose with the same face. And in here I will just choose point 2 number 2 that has the same face like this, and then next just generate. And okay, like this your photo is now transformed into a retro anime look like this. I think it's so beautiful, but also looks so cool like this. It's super incredible. Okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.